Right now, 4 people in King County are being monitored for coronavirus. 2 of them are students at the University of Washington. And good evening, I'm Steve Rabel.
I'm Monique Minglavin. Now, there are 5 confirmed cases of coronavirus in the U.S. Everett, Chicago, Tempe, Arizona, and 2 cases in California. 1 in Orange County, the other in Los Angeles County. All patients recently traveled to Wuhan. That is the epicenter of the outbreak.
Now, the UW students also recently traveled to Wuhan. KIRO 7's Didi Sun is live on campus. And Didi, the university has isolated those 2 students while they await lab results.
That's right. And Hall Healthcare is handing out packages of surgical masks like this one you see here. There's 3 masks in each package, along with a notice about the latest situation on campus. And while we await the lab results from the CDC for those 2 students to figure out if they have the virus, students across campus, they're worried.
Scary.
I was pretty freaked out.
Just take some cautions to protect ourselves.
UW students notified yesterday that 2 students who live on campus are now being monitored for coronavirus after recently traveling to Wuhan, China. The 2 are now in isolation and reporting their temperature to health officials twice daily.
It was definitely alarming to hear.
It has students around campus taking extra precautions.
A lot more people are wearing masks and stuff like that.
It's kind of scary, especially because I have a compromised immune system.
Hall Health on campus has a warning about coronavirus and has a station where you can get a mask. The 2 UW students being monitored makes a total of 4 people in King County who are being tested. The other 2 people under supervision came in contact with the 1 confirmed case in our area, a man in Snohomish County who is still at Providence Hospital. Test results for the possible cases will come from the CDC sometime this week. Seattle and King County Public Health want you to remember there are only 5 cases of the virus across the United States, and coronavirus has not been transmitted inside this country.
The public health system considers this outbreak a very serious public health threat, but it is really important to understand that the novel coronavirus is not spreading in communities anywhere in the United States.
But while we wait for test results from the CDC, people here are protecting themselves.
I think we should just be careful.
Public Health says they believe there's a low chance of any of the people currently being monitored, including the 2 students here at UW who are being monitored. There's a low chance that any of them actually have the virus, and the monitoring is happening out of caution. Now, however, the CDC is issuing a warning today to all travelers saying if you don't need to go to China, don't go, because the outbreak there is getting worse. Live on campus tonight at UW, Didi Sun, KIRO 7 News.
And Didi, it's not just medical. The coronavirus is also impacting global markets. Going in depth, stocks tumbled and oil prices fell today as the virus spread worried investors. Shares of airlines and companies dependent on tourism from China were particularly hard hit. It was the sharpest declines since October 2nd, when the trade war created fears of a slowdown. We have put together a comprehensive Q&A with the most common questions you have about the Wuhan coronavirus. You can read and share that right now on the KIRO 7 News app.